I wish I could tell you I've done a lot of writing or editing or been dreaming up a whole new world for my next series, but I can't. One of life's little hiccups has hit, and this week I'm moving my mother into assisted living. It's not a fun time for any of us, but we are getting through it. On the other hand, The Girl Who Wrote on Water is available for pre-order, don't forget, and next week I'll give you a heads up on a special launch day discount. In the meantime, you might want to check out Smashwords' summer sale. All of my books, as well as lots more, are discounted this month. Head over to smashwords.com to see what great deals you can find.